So we're very excited to get the performances going. So let's not delay any further. Making their way to the stage is the first choir. Here is the Clarendon-based high school, who's been very consistent all season long. Please make some noise for Knox College.
Knox, I love that the first time I heard it, and I love it now. Just be careful, soprano. Sometimes you're kind of shaving off a bit of the pitch from the higher notes. But I love it. I love where you took us with all of the different songs. Those are some of my favorite folk songs.
Clear, cutting edge. It's now obvious to me that Knox is not a choir. Knox is an experience.
Knox. The hills of Clarendon must be rejoicing now with all this excelling that you have done. I mean, from the first round right up to now, you really deserve to be where you are. Thank you.
It's a very nice piece, and I like the harmony arrangements, and I like the transpose. It's very dynamic, and actually the soprano it sound nice, you know. A lot of people train for years to sound like that. So it sound very good. Yes.